So, hello everyone. How are we today?
Good
Everybody's
evening.
fine?
Fine,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
fine.
I'm good, sir.
Yeah,
I am fit and fine.
that's lovely. So, guys, we are going to start a role play here. Okay?
Oh,
So, role play
Okay.
means you have to talk spontaneously. कुछ भी as per the situation you have to talk. So, I'm going to tell you, Fauzia, you have to buy a DSLR camera. Okay? So
Okay.
you have a best friend named Puneet. So you have to
Okay.
give him a call, and Puneet will ask you to come to his home, and from there you both have to go to the showroom. And
Okay.
Lukman is the person who is at the showroom who will sell the camera. And
Okay.
Lukman will play various character also. Lukman will play the character of a servant also who is at Puneet's house. And Madhuri would be the police officer. So after
Okay.
purchasing the camera, when you come home and check the camera, then you will find some fault in the camera. So you have to go back to the showroom and start quarreling to the shopkeeper. You have to ask him to return, but he will not agree to return it. Then
Okay.
finally the matter will go to the police station and police will delve into the matter. Okay?
okay.
Fair enough.
Okay, sir.
So when I say action, Fauzia has to give a call to Puneet. So 3, 2, 1, action. Yeah, Fauzia, go ahead.
Hello,
Hello.
Puneet.
Hello, Fauziya.
Uh,
How are you?
I am good, Puneet, and you?
And I'm also fine.
Okay, that's great. Puneet, I would like to say something. I want purchase a camera, DSLR camera. Uh,
Okay. Okay.
can
How
you
can I help you?
help me? Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
Uh, you can you go for market along with me?
Can you go
Okay. Yes.
to रहेगा for अच्छा नहीं.
Go
Can you go
go
to
to
market?
yes, 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 yes. Can you go to market along with me?
Yes. Okay. And uh,
At
and uh,
what
and
time?
and uh, and when
Yes,
do you
yes.
want to go?
Let me know when you are free.
Okay. You can
I
come
will.
after. You can come at my home after 10 a.m.
Okay,
और
okay,
come
okay,
at my home गलत इंग्लिश है. Come to my home. अच्छा, आने जाने में
Oh,
at नहीं
oh,
लगता है. At नहीं लगता.
okay. Come to my home.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
सर एक पेपर में नोट
When
डाउन कर लेना सर.
Okay.
when I will free, I will text you
अब यहाँ भी
Okay.
होना चाहिए
Okay.
कि when I get free, I will text you.
when
कंडीशनल
I get.
फर्स्ट है ये.
Yes,
कंडीशनल
yes,
फर्स्ट है.
yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I will wait your text now.
I will wait for your text.
When I get free, I will call you.
Okay, okay. Okay, you can call me
Okay,
anytime. Okay.
Okay,
okay.
fine. Okay. Suppose you got
Ting
free. Yeah.
tong.
Now you.
Yes. Ting tong.
So now you
Okay,
have
hello.
reached home or you are giving call, Fauziya?
Yes. Reached home.
Reached home.
Reached home.
Okay. Puneet, you have to ask
Yes.
your servant to open the door. Come on.
Okay. सर इसको लुकमान को नुकमान से इंट्रोएट कर लेता हूँ.
Yeah,
Hello.
Lukman
Yes.
is your.
Lukman, you can please open the door. Who is there?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm going. Oh, hello, ma'am. How are
Hello.
you?
I'm good. Is Puneet there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm telling about you. Just a minute.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, your friend come outside.
अब यहाँ होना चाहिए
Okay,
फ्रेंड
okay,
या तो
okay. Oh,
फ्रेंड योर फ्रेंड हैज कम या योर फ्रेंड इज
Has come.
आउटसाइड ऐसे भी कह सकते हो फ्रेंड इज
Yes, sir.
आउटसाइड शी वांट्स टू मीट यू.
Your friend is outside and she wants to meet you.
okay, okay. You can allow him. Allow her.
अलाउ हर या लेट हर कम
Yes,
इनसाइड.
ma'am. You can come, ma'am.
Yes.
Sir is
Okay.
calling you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Puneet.
Hello. Hi, Faiza. कैसे
Uh,
हो? How are
कैसे
you?
हो? पुनीत. मतलब हिंदी रग रग में हिंदी है पुनीत.
This is very easy.
तो भारत
Task.
मेरा महान वाली बात
I
है ना.
am. Yes, sir. I am fit as fiddle.
Okay. Okay.
Are you
Okay.
ready for? Are you ready to go?
So, okay, I will take some time. First, what do you want to take? A tea or coffee?
Uh, I would like have a green tea.
Okay, okay. Lukman, please make two coffees. Two green tea.
Green
Okay,
tea.
sir.
Lukman, there is no
Okay,
green tea
sir.
available. Lukman, there is no green tea available. So you have to say to Puneet. Puneet will ask you to go to market to buy green tea. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Actually, sir, there are no green tea pockets are available.
Okay. Now you can, if you are comfortable, you can go for outside. You can go for a
Yeah,
market. Go market to take
yeah,
to purchase green tea.
Go to market होगा.
yep,
Go for कह देते हैं.
हाँ
Go
हाँ
to.
हाँ. You go to
yeah,
market.
sir. But please give me some money.
Okay, I will give you some money. Okay, you can take it and go for.
Okay, sir. Uh,
माधुरी
here
माधुरी
is
is the
your
shopkeeper.
green tea,
Yes,
sir.
माधुरी एक मिनट.
yes, sir.
माधुरी से
Okay,
अब
sir.
खरीदो. इसको भी
Okay, sir.
रोल प्ले
Yes,
मिलेगा.
sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, I want to take a green tea.
Okay. Which
Market.
brand, which kind of green tea do you want? Which brand?
I think any brand. I think which you feel best. Give me any brand.
Oh, according to me, Bagh Bakri green tea is the
बाघ
best
बकरी.
tea.
Okay.
Yeah, green tea is the best.
Okay,
You can go
okay.
for Lipton also.
Then give me
Yeah,
Organic
Lipton. I
India is
think
best.
Lipton.
yeah, Lipton.
Lipton. Yeah, Lipton green tea. Give me if available.
But this time, this brand is not available in my house, in my shop.
Okay, then which brand you have? Give me because my guest is at home.
Yeah, I have Bagh Bakri brand, so I
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Then
give
take.
me.
take it.
Thank you. How much money
You have to
I have to pay?
pay. You have to pay 70 rupees.
Okay, but your price is too much of this sachet.
This is a brand price.
No, brand price is 50 rupees. You take 20 rupee more.
You have
But
taken. तुमने ले लिया है 20 रुपए ज़्यादा. ऐसा ना? You have taken
You
20
have
rupees.
taken 20 rupees more.
Hmm.
You
but
can check MRP on the
yeah,
packet.
yeah, you can check MRP.
Yeah, RP is also 50 rupees. You can see. I think you are new shopkeeper.
Oh, okay. Sorry, sorry. I forgot that this tea price. Okay, you give me
You can give
only
me. You
50.
can give
Yeah,
me.
you can give me only 50 rupees.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. This is your 50 rupees.
Okay.
Now,
Now make
sir,
green tea.
here is your green tea.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go, Puneet.
Okay. Yes.
ये shall we go ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. क्या हम चलें? Shall we go?
Okay, okay. Shall we go, Puneet?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
अरे हम शॉपकीपर के पास पहुंचते हैं हम.
Okay. Lukman is the
yes, yes.
shopkeeper.
Uh, hello. Uh,
Yes, yes, ma'am. Please
can,
come inside.
yes, yes. Can you show me the DSLR camera? This DSLR Canon camera?
Okay.
कैमरा में डिफरेंट ब्रांड शो करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, लंबा हो जाएगा.
ठीक है.
There are lots of brand I have. So
Okay.
Canon, EOS, and Nikon and Nikon D7. Which brand do you want?
Puneet, which would be
प्लीज
better?
सजेस्ट प्लीज सजेस्ट बेस्ट ब्रांड. व्हाट डू यू हैव?
Yeah. Earlier, ma'am told asked that Canon. I think Canon is the best camera.
Can you show me the features of camera?
Yeah, you can check this camera sensor size as far as the quality and exposure flexibility are concerned, all the best of that camera.
And
And
please tell
I
me what is the
also
difference. And please tell me what is the difference between Nikon and Canon DSLR camera.
no major difference actually. This there is a different companies that made that made cameras, and
And
no major difference.
what is your favorite brand and more selling? What you are more selling?
Yeah, Canon is the most selling brand and its price is more than other brands.
How does
Okay.
it will cost?
How does it will cost?
Yeah,
थोड़ा गलत है. मतलब
Yes.
how much it will cost ना? How much will it cost?
Yes, yes, sir.
How
Yes, sir.
much will
Yes,
it
sir.
cost?
How much will it cost?
22,000.
22,000. Uh, Puneet, suggest me.
I will suggest you we can check other shops also.
Okay.
Okay, you can check, and you will come back because in other shop you will not get a quality, and even price of that shop is also much.
Okay, first of all
Okay.
we want to check other shops
Okay,
also.
no worry, sir. You can go.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, suppose you have checked, but now finally you have to go back to the same shop.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
First,
Give me that camera, which
yeah, which I've seen
you
sometime
have
before.
shown me.
Yeah, I'm told you earlier that you
I
will
am नहीं
come.
आएगा. I had already told you.
I had I had already told you you will come back,
You would come
and
back.
please you would come back. Please have a seat. I will give you.
Okay.
Okay.
This is your camera. You
Yes.
can check.
Okay. Pack it.
Okay.
First I want to say before checking you can check the camera. Any defect, any fault.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can check.
Check and
But
pack it.
but I will say I would say one thing. There is no guarantee if you take it from if you take it and when you know it the camera is not and have no guarantee.
But
So
but
you
but
will
but
check
you are say,
no
but you are saying it
No
is a Canon.
guarantee and
It is
no warranty.
no warranty. But you have to check in this shop.
Okay.
but you are saying it is a Canon brand. Canon brand gives 1 year warranty.
Uh, you know it is the export from Malaysia, but I have not gotten any guarantee from that, and I also not give any guarantee.
No, no, you are giving a bill also, na?
I can't give any guarantee. ऐसा होगा ना लुकमान कि मैं दे नहीं सकता. I can't give.
I I can't give any guarantee, and you have to check in this shop.
Fauziya
Check,
ji,
Puneet,
But you are
please.
but you are
Yes.
saying this is a famous brand, and you are giving also bill
Yeah,
also.
brands are famous. It is not. It doesn't mean that the warranty is also there. Brand is famous. You can check.
But I am giving
Oh,
very cheapest price. So I can't give guarantee and warranty.
Even you visited a lot of shop. I think you checked their quality and you return back.
Sir, it is pricey. You should keep a warranty card also.
Actually, ma'am, I have not received any warranty. This is the this thing I brought from Malaysia, and I also have not guarantee from the Malaysia.
I have not got any guarantee.
I have not got any guarantee. So
Puneet,
how I give you?
Puneet, what do I do?
so
How can I give you? How can I?
I
How
think
can I
we
give
have to
you?
purchase. I have no any other option.
Okay.
Let's buy it.
Okay.
Let's buy it.
Le- okay, pack it.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. Here is your camera.
Yes,
कार्ड
I
से पे
will
करेंगे
pay
कैश.
by card. Yes, I will pay by card.
Okay, I will manage.
Okay.
Okay, here is your card.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go, Puneet.
Okay.
Okay, now since Indrapreet has also come, so let me add
Yes.
something. So now Fauzia has purchased this. Suddenly, Indrapreet will give a call to Fauzia and Puneet, and she will say that, hey, it's my birthday today. Okay. So
Okay.
Fauzia will say, okay, I will come. Puneet will say, okay, I will come. Then Fauzia will say, hey, I have purchased a camera, so I will shoot everything, all the moments and everything will be shot by my camera. Then Indrapreet will
Okay.
get happy. But when Fauzia starts shooting or just turns on, she will come to know that, oh, camera is out of order, it's not working. Then she will get angry and straight away go back to Lukman. This is the program. Okay.
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 So first,
Okay, sir.
do one thing, Fauzi and Puneet. Since you have purchased a camera, why don't you go to any restaurant and have something? There should be a
Okay.
party.
Yes.
Okay.
There should be a party. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Actually,
Okay.
sir wants a servant again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Puneet, let's go cafe coffee day for
Okay. Yes.
for coffee.
Take some breakfast.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Puneet, would you like what would you like to have? Which type of coffee
Cappuccino.
you would like to have? Cappuccino.
Okay.
Okay.
So call the waiter first.
Uh,
Lukman, be the waiter, buddy. Yeah.
Okay, sir, no problem. I'm always here.
Go and
Okay.
take order.
Uh,
So sweet.
I would like to have two cappuccino coffee with
Sugar.
mild sugar. With mild sugar.
Okay, ma'am. I will come after the 5 minutes.
Okay.
And ask Puneet.
Any else?
Puneet, would you like to have some sandwiches?
No. Nothing.
No. Only coffee?
Yes.
Pastry will do?
No. Nothing. Only coffee.
Okay. Okay.
Not do.
नहीं सही है वो
Yes,
डू
sir.
एक होता है मुहावरा काम चलना पेस्ट्री से काम चलेगा ठीक है go ahead
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And also take some 1 glass water.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Sir, here is your water, and I will come back after 5 minutes.
Thank you.
And
Okay. Coffee is nice, na Puneet?
Yes.
but no, I
But-
only
but
serve
sugar-
water
but
to
sugar-
sir. But
sugar
coffee
is
is
more.
not, ma'am. There.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Here is your coffee. Now you check and tell me how.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Coffee is nice, very refreshing. It is very
Sugar is
refreshing.
high. Sugar is
But
more.
not in my cup. Sugar is not more. There is less sugar.
Depend on taste condition.
Okay. Okay. There is less sugar.
Yes.
Yeah, sugar is on your table. You can add.
Yes.
But already you have added sugar.
More sugar.
okay then Puneet you can
Okay.
you can say to the waiter that why have you added so much sugar you can ask
Okay. Why have you added sugar?
so much sugar
Actually, I have no idea about this, but I have not too much added sugar. Are you a diabetes patient?
No. 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 No.
So
No. I take
Okay.
I take only
You
normal
can-
sugar.
You can check by ma'am. It is not enough sugar in this cup.
ये जो था यू कैन चेक बाय मैम ये सेंटेंस थोड़ा अजीब था ना मतलब आप मैम
Yes,
से चेक
yes,
करवा
sir.
सकते हो ऐसा कहना था
You can, yes, sir.
यू कैन आस्क मैम
आप चेक कर सकते हैं.
You can ask.
मैम टू चेक
You can ask ma'am to check. I have
My-
not added that much sugar.
My coffee is okay.
Even ma'am added
Oh,
more
okay,
sugar,
okay,
Puneet
okay.
sir.
so maybe Puneet
Okay.
Puneet is so sweet maybe that's why it is happening yeah Puneet
Yeah, it might possible, sir.
yeah
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
So
Thank
now suddenly Indrapreet is going to call you Fauziya
Yes.
Okay.
Tring,
Okay.
tring, tring, tring.
Hello.
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 Hi, Fozia.
Hi Indrapreet, how are you?
Fine, thanks. What about you?
I am good.
What's going on?
you both are
Nothing,
singing a song
as usual.
singing a song
As
and having a
usual.
conversation
I also thought like that.
Yes, sir.
and
Okay.
Indrapreet
tomorrow-
doesn't know that this video is being recorded.
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 Okay, so Okay. Hi,
Sir,
Fozia.
but
Actually,
camera is off,
you
then they feel no he feel no
you
she feel no
reminded
problem.
Yeah, she
you
will not have
reminded
problem. Yeah.
you reminded
Okay, sir.
tomorrow is my birthday, so my family is going
Oh,
to celebrate my birthday, so please come
oh,
and please come with family also.
oh, I am happy. I have just purchased a camera.
Okay.
I will shoot your program
Yeah,
into,
sure, you will come. Yeah,
yes,
yeah, yes,
with
yes,
my
definitely.
camera.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
sure, sure. Yeah, please come on time and celebrate the all things.
Yes, yes, we will come definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Puneet, would you like to go Indrapreet home with me?
Okay, okay, okay,
Because tomorrow my husband has a important meeting.
okay, okay. We will go with.
Okay, I will go with you.
Okay.
Okay, I will go with you.
Okay. Okay.
सर ऐसा उसको
Hit
उसको क्या
me.
बोले कि हम साथ चलेंगे.
We will go together.
हाँ हाँ, we
We
will
will
go
go
to.
together.
We will go to that.
At night, hit me up when you get free. We will decide.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Uh,
So now go to
okay.
Indrapreet's house.
Okay.
Ting tong.
Hi. Hi,
Ting tong.
Pooja.
Hi,
Hello.
Indrapreet. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you so much. So
Happy birthday,
sweet.
Triti.
Thank you, Puneet. Have a
Here
nice
is your
day.
gift.
And fine.
Here is your gift.
Okay. Oh, no seats required for gift. Only please come and enjoy the party.
It is a small love token from my side.
Okay,
Token
okay,
of
okay.
love.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Okay,
Have a enjoy party.
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Please, Puneet, also enjoy the party and
Okay.
eat each and everything.
Don't worry, I can take everything.
Okay, thank you so
Pun-
much. So nice of you.
Thank. Yes,
Puneet, can you take out camera from my bag?
yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Okay.
I can take camera from our car.
Okay. Okay. You forget in your car.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Fauja, this is your camera.
Okay. Okay. Let's take some pictures
Okay.
with it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God. It is not working. It got
Oh,
conked off. It got conked off.
कह सकते हैं.
But yesterday you had checked the camera.
Yes, I checked, but just now it is not working.
Maybe battery
Oh,
off.
yeah,
no,
maybe
no.
not chargeable.
Oh, I am upset. After
When did you buy this camera?
yesterday, I bought it.
Okay, okay, okay. So you have to check with the guy.
After party, we will go to the
Shopkeeper.
shopkeeper.
Yeah.
Okay,
What was the cost?
22,000.
Oh, it's a very
Yes,
big amount.
its price is
First, first,
very high.
Yes, yes.
Fauja, you should call to shopkeeper.
Yes.
Yeah, you should call to shopkeeper and discuss the all things.
Okay. Okay, Andrepreet, we will go.
Oh,
First you should call to first shopkeeper.
yeah.
Call.
Yes.
Okay. Tring tring.
Calling home, calling to the shopkeeper.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, no, directly go there. Then you can have a good quarreling conversation. Directly go there.
Okay, okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
okay. Hello, भैया. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please come inside.
Okay. You gave me this camera yesterday. It is
Yeah,
not working.
I
Check.
have gi- I have given you, I think, last week, not yesterday.
No,
No, no, no,
it,
no. We
yesterday.
have purchased, we have
You
purchased
gave me yesterday.
yesterday.
Yes.
Then what problem?
It is not working. Even I can't take any pic from with this.
It is not getting start.
Not getting turned.
Yes.
Yeah.
I start turn
It is
on.
Your
not getting turned on.
Not getting turned on.
your children may doing like playing with
No.
this camera, I think so.
As well, children may have played with this camera, may have touched it.
Yeah, your children may
No.
have played with this camera
No.
due to which there are lots of customer who takes the camera, but you are the one who complains.
No.
First
I
you have to check
I
na.
am
First you
not I am
check.
not telling a lie. You can check. You can check.
But I just check it, but I cannot
When I
return it.
reached when I reached my home, my children's were
Was sleeping,
sleeping, were
sleeping.
sleeping.
How then it happened? I think it's fallen from you or your husband
No.
or your friends, and
No.
वापस करो, वापस करो
okay,
कैमरा दूसरा दो. ऐसा लड़ गया.
Please return it.
no, I
And give me
cannot.
some other piece.
No, I am telling you earlier that it is not a warranty. I have no warranty of this camera, but I just check it if any issue. If I can resolve it, then I will do this.
Please check.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Please
No.
change it.
No, not at all. You can take it back. I cannot return back your
No.
camera.
No. You
Sir, we have purchased yesterday.
I know you have purchased yesterday. I told you earlier I have no guarantee, and even I show
you
you
will
all
have you
I
will
showed
have
you
returned my money. Okay?
how I can return your money.
No.
It is impossible.
You will have to return.
We did not
Otherwise,
use your camera.
I
otherwise,
will never give you a money, and
otherwise,
I'm just asking you. I'm just check it. If it is possible to resolve issue, then I can. Otherwise, I cannot.
I will lodge an
An
FIR with
Complaint.
an FIR.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want, but I cannot change your camera. Even I cannot check it now because your behavior is not good.
You took
Okay.
so much money and talk like this.
Yeah, obviously this is the price of the camera.
Really disgusting.
I am talking you, ma'am, politely, and this is not a good way to talk any person. Please don't do this.
call the
I
cop.
am not doing like this.
Call the cop.
But I
Call the
have
cop.
no
Call
warranty
the
of
cop.
this
Hello.
card, and I'm told you earlier so
Please.
many.
Call the police. Call the
Police station?
police. Call the police.
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Yes, yes. Myself, Puneet Gupta. We purchased a camera, DSLR camera from the XYZ shops. बोल देते हैं. XYZ
Okay.
yesterday.
Yeah.
But when went to our home, and after yesterday we checked the camera, but camera is not getting start.
Okay. But firstly, Puneet, you will have to come police station. After that, we will launch your FIR.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. We are coming.
Okay.
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 Hello, ma'am.
Come. Yes, please tell me about your
Uh,
problem.
uh, Ma'am, yesterday I have purchased DSLR camera from XYZ shop,
Yes.
and it is not working. And the
And we
shopkeeper,
when we went to when we went to shopkeeper to for return the camera, but he was denying.
Okay. Do
He
you
said
have
he
any?
said he said to us, I will not return your money.
Yeah. Do you have any warranty card, etc.?
No, we don't have any warranty card.
Why? Why?
he did not give any warranty card. He said he brought camera from
From Malaysia.
Malaysia,
From
No.
and he has no warranty card.
So which company camera did you bought buy?
Canon.
this is a Canon make.
Okay. Okay. I call. What is the shopkeeper name and shop name?
Shopkeeper name
Amit,
is a shopkeeper name
Amit.
is Lukman.
And
Okay,
Firstly,
Lukman.
decided Lukman or
yes, yes, Lukman. Madhuri, you have to call him to the
Lukman,
police
Lukman.
station, okay?
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
then take some bribe, then
Okay.
to
Tring
come to the
tring.
conclusion. Yeah.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, Lukman here.
Yeah, I'm Lukman.
Okay. Yeah, I am a sir. I am a
Police
police
inspector.
officer. Yeah, I am police
Madhuri.
inspector, and I I get a I get a complaint
Complaint.
against you
Got,
against you.
got.
I got
About
a
what, ma'am?
complaint against you. I know. Sir, I will
I know,
know.
yeah, I know that you have cheated
No, no,
someone.
no. I will know about this matter. Firstly, you will have to come in police station in just
Okay,
10
ma'am.
minutes.
Actually, I am outside in the. I am now. I am outside from my city, so I will come after 3 to 4 hours.
He is lying.
Okay,
He is lying, ma'am. He is
Yeah,
in his
he was
shop.
their shop.
Yes,
okay.
he is lying.
Yeah, I will come to your shop, Lukman, and
You
then
Yeah,
stay
I
ma'am.
here.
will
You.
You
sleep
stay
you.
here.
Yeah, yeah, I
Okay,
will sleep
ma'am.
you. But otherwise, you come. You will come.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try to come.
Yeah, I
Okay.
will sleep you.
Yes.
क्या कहा इसने? माधुरी ने? I will.
I will try.
No, sir. I will. You come. Otherwise, I will sleep you. Slap you.
अच्छा तो sleep you.
Slap
Oh
you
my
is
God.
not.
Sorry, sorry.
बताओ मतलब इतना एक खराब साउंड करेगा कोई preposition लगा दिया
Sure,
गलती
sir.
से तो कितना खराब हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
I
Sorry.
thought
Yeah.
any phrase or
हाँ मैं इसीलिए बैठा हूँ कि पकड़ लूँ क्या गलती है.
सर क्या
Yes, sir.
बोला था? स्लैप ना?
हाँ, उसके मुंह से
Yes,
निकल
sir.
इनके मुंह से निकला आई विल स्लीप यू. अब मैंने कहा कि स्लीप और यू के बीच में अगर कोई preposition लग जाए तो उल्टा हो जाएगा सब कुछ. सोचो. या
Sorry, sir.
या ओके ओके चल. लुकमान शर्मा आ गया. लुकमान
no,
कैमरा
sir.
दिखाओ भाई.
Yes, sir. Sir, here.
ओके या गो अहेड.
Ma'am, there is a shopkeeper. He is wearing a white T-shirt.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Are you Lukman?
Fauziya, please say
Yeah,
Madhuri
yeah.
ki we want to return back money.
Yes,
Are you?
ma'am.
Are you
No,
Lukman?
Ma'am, I
these two
want to.
person actually came here. Actually, I have given ma'am. I had given him a camera with a good condition, and I think his her child broken it, and she started blaming me.
How
Yeah.
can
No,
he?
no, ma'am, we don't have child.
अच्छा
Yeah.
let the cop handle the situation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Madhuri.
Lukman, you told earlier you told them that Canon company have not a warranty card and guarantee card.
Actually, I she received a camera. I think last week, and after 1 week she came back in our shop and started blaming on me, but her child broken it.
No, no,
Ma'am,
no.
She
We
he,
checked
started
ma'am, he
blaming.
is
yesterday.
a
but
cheater.
but
Ma'am, he is a
but
cheater.
Lukman,
I
I got
purchased yesterday.
yeah,
Yesterday only.
I got
No, no,
information
ma'am, it is
that
totally wrong information. I'm I'm telling you, it is totally wrong information, and I checked all the condition of camera on my shop
No,
also. They
He is
both
lying. He is
checked,
lying.
ma'am, ma'am,
but no,
I
ma'am. If
never
we are,
I
purchased
don't
if
know
we are
anything
lying,
why.
if
to
if
shut
you.
we
up,
are lying,
I
Fozia
you
and
don't
you can
know.
Puneet.
check in shop
Let me tell
CCTV camera.
let me
I
tell.
don't know, my ma'am, why they do this both. But I think this camera is also not that camera that I purchased,
Had sold.
that I that I had sold. This is not that camera even.
But Canon company give a warranty and guarantee, and you told that Canon company no,
Doesn't.
doesn't. Yeah, Canon company doesn't give warranty and guarantee.
But ma'am, this camera is not that camera that that I had sold even.
Ma'am,
But I
ma'am,
also,
ma'am, ma'am, he denying. First, you can
but
check
she only
his
start
shop
blaming
CCTV
me, and
footage.
even she had no proof.
You can check him shop CCTV footage. Everything is clear.
Yes, Lukman, I got.
Here is bill. Here is bill. You can check date on it.
Yeah, bill. I agree that this is the 22,000 bill of that day, but not this camera is not that camera that I had sold also, and
Oh my God! He is telling a lie again and again.
how you can say like this? I cannot talk with you. I am talking to ma'am.
Yeah, Lukman, I have got many complaints against you. You are cheated.
Ma'am,
You have
You
cheated.
are cheating. Yeah, you have cheated many customers.
ma'am, I think they both have gave you a bribe, and so that you doing like this.
You are
And I am
blaming
also
me.
I can also give you a bribe, ma'am. Don't worry,
I got mesmerized to seeing. I got mesmerized seeing this shop.
ma'am. I can
Which
also
shop?
give you a bribe more than ma'am Fozia. You don't worry, please.
Yeah, Lukman, we will settle this matter. Firstly, you,
Yeah.
You
yeah,
will have to return my
firstly,
money, ma'am. Please.
Fozia and Puneet, I will help you after 1 day.
Okay.
Meanwhile, during
Till
this
then,
time,
till
yeah,
then,
till then, I talk to Lukman.
Okay.
Okay.
No, you both can go.
Yeah, you both can go. And Lukman, how much money do
Tom-
you? Yeah, how much money can you give me? Give me?
Yeah, ma'am. I can give you a 10,000 rupees.
no,
But
Uh,
you are
I will.
not
I will
here.
but
not. I
yeah,
will
but
not
Fozia
take.
and Puneet, you are not there.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
actually, Lukman is
Okay.
giving bribe to Madhuri.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
but Lukman, 10,000 is so less.
Indrajit, your audio has some issue. Please turn off your audio. Yeah.
But ma'am, so ma'am, 12,000. I think it is good.
Okay, Lukman, I will adjust this.
Okay, ma'am.
Malini
Thank you so
Madhuri.
much.
Okay, but Lukman, I have many complaints. I have many complaints against you. And next
Ma'am,
time
I can give you a bribe anytime. Please don't ask me.
yeah, I know you very well because your father also gave me brave.
अच्छा, आपके पिता भी दिया करते थे, ऐसा कुछ कहना चाह
Yes,
रहे हैं?
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
वाह!
She is also blaming to my father. Oh,
Yeah,
You like
lovely.
पर मैम शॉप खानदानी होती है, पुलिस वाले खानदानी नहीं होते.
Yes.
okay. Okay, give me. I will manage that people. Them.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Please
Puneet and
also.
Fezia.
हाँ जी, yes sir,
Yes.
yes ma'am.
Puneet and Fezia. Uh, your this is camera problem, okay? Because earlier Lukman said that this camera is not under warranty or guarantee. So why did you purchase this camera?
So
Ma'am,
but he
ma'am, he
said to
looted
us.
us.
Yeah,
Ma'am, he looted us. He is he was lying again and again.
but this is your fault, okay?
If you will not help us, we will go for a next department, next
I-
officer मतलब.
if you don't help
Yeah,
us,
you can go because
Okay.
you have no warranty and guarantee card,
Ma'am,
so
ma'am, ma'am,
no
he
agency will
swindled
help you.
us. He swindled us. He was a cheater. I never go
I
to
will.
shop anything from
I
this
am a
shop.
I am police officer and I know very well what is right and what is wrong, okay?
Okay. If you will not help me, I will write you and about shopkeeper on Facebook, other media. So it is not good for you.
Okay, you can do as you like.
I will go
To consumer court.
I will go to a SDM.
Okay.
Consumer court.
ओके, पुलिस के खिलाफ एसडीएम के पास, ठीक है.
Okay, okay. You
ओके.
can go.
Okay,
Okay.
fine guys, fine everyone.
Fine.
So yeah, it was
Okay, sir.
mind blowing. So I'm going to stop the recording.
It was a horrifying experience, sir.
पर ऐसा ही अच्छा लगता है सर, एक घंटा सही रहता है टाइम पास, मतलब अच्छा रहता है.
ठीक है, मैं पहले ये रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर देता हूँ.